Hey there, it's Nathan. Welcome back to our channel where we explore how to catapult your productivity and streamline your workflow with GPT Workspace. So here's the situation. You've got an incredibly long document, like this annual letter to shareholders from Amazon. It's packed with information. But let's be real, who has the time to sift through all these pages and create a recap? That's where GPT Workspace comes in, an add-on that lets ChatGPT run wild in your workspace. Docs, sheets, and slides. We want to extract the essence of this lengthy document into something more digestible, specifically a recap table highlighting Amazon's main investments. I simply input the prompt. I want a recap table about the main investments right here in the sidebar. Just like magic, the AI gets to work and churns out a comprehensive table summarizing the key investment areas, description of investment and revenue, or impact, without breaking a sweat. One more click and this insightful table is seamlessly integrated into our doc. Just like that, we've saved hours of manual sifting and sorting. If you're looking to enhance your Google Workspace experience with AI, check out GPT Workspace. Smash that like button if you love seeing more use cases that transforms the way we work, and remember to subscribe for more inventive solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.